Hello everyone. Social App has come up with a very new and ambitious app called Saksham app. This app will be used to collect the documents related to vehicle and material movement occurring at the recycler's end and automatically generate the recycling certificate. This app has many different uses and features. So come on, let's explore the features of the Saksham app today. You can find this app on Google Play Store. You can download and install. After opening the app, you will land on the login page where you need to enter the mobile number on which you want to receive OTP. This mobile number should be a registered mobile number. After entering the mobile number and clicking on login tab, an OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. After entering the OTP, click on verify. Now you will be landed on the main page of this Saksham app. On this app, you can create the supply load, you can add your own details, you can edit your own details, you can check the created supply loads, you can approve the supply loads that you have already created and checked by the social app associate, or you can also reject the supply loads. So, before diving deep into this app, we'll just fill in the recycler details where you can update the details and you can fill in as well. These details can be updated by clicking on the right side person icon given on the app. Clicking on the edit button, you can enter your name, your mobile number, your consent validity, the email, and the city in which you operate, and click on save. By clicking on save, your recycler details will be updated successfully. The next thing that we can do on this app is we can create a supply load. To create the supply load, we need to click on the plus sign given at the bottom of this app. Here, after clicking on the plus sign, there are different lists of photos that you are supposed to take to create a supply load. Out of the lists, you can see on the screen purchase bill and weight receipt are the compulsory documents that you need to upload, without which the supply load will not be created successfully. So we can see a demo of supply load creation. First is the purchase bill. To upload the photo, this app has given you two options. One is you can take a picture through the camera, or you can also upload the already taken picture and saved in the gallery of your phone. So first we'll see the take picture option. When you click on the take picture, you will be directed to the camera of your phone where you can take the photo. When you click on the take photo, a photo will be clicked. If the photo is clear and satisfactory, you can click on OK. If the photo is not clear, you can click on the retake option given in this app itself. Now this photo seems to be okay and clear, so I click on OK. So your purchasable photo is uploaded. Now going to the weight receipt and click on take picture. This photo also seems to be okay. The other interesting feature with the camera option given in this app is that when you take a photo, your location and uh, your location will be captured, which proves that this photo is a real time photo. After taking the photos, you can click on the submit button. This is how a supply load gets created, and this load will appear in the created lists of your app. There are other tabs as you can see on the load where the this is the pending app. The supply loads created will occur in the pending app when social app associate extracts the data and the data is pending for validation of the recycler. Once you create the supply load, it will be updated and the social app Saksham associate will extract the data and send the same for your verification. You can verify the load and then the load will be shifted to the verified tab. If the data extracted is not proper, then you can also reject the pending load and the list will appear in the rejected tab. This is how, this is just a simple overview of this app. We can together explore this app. Thank you.